Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. Hi! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL CARPIO, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if this is your first time to visit my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button found below and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. If you find that my content of my channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them, and please don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! This time, let me shout out to the two viewers who commented with the correct answers on the exercises given on the video on how to solve H-word problems. They are the following: Emmanuel Enriquez and Hannah Shamara Aborod. Once again, thank you for supporting my channel. I hope that you will continue supporting my channel by watching all my videos. In this video, I'm going to present to you how to solve H-word problems part 2. So this is a continuation of the discussions on how to solve word problems. But this time, the H-word problems that I am going to discuss involve before and after. So let us have example number 1. Our problem number 1, it says here, 2 years ago, Hannah is 2 years older than Michelle. If the sum of their ages now is 30 years, how old is each person now? In this problem, I will be using again the block model approach for us to solve the given problem. So first, we are going to represent the ages of the two persons before. So according to the problem, that Hannah is 2 years older than Michelle. So let us begin by representing the age of Michelle. Let us say that if this box represents the age of Michelle before, the age of Hannah was similar box as that of Michelle plus 2. Now 2 years after, so meaning to say that both of the ages of the two persons will be added by 2. Now Michelle's age now would be the same box plus the 2, while Hannah's age would be the same box plus 2 and plus 2. So meaning to say that we have two equal empty boxes plus 6, which give us a total of 30, since the sum of the ages of Hannah and Michelle is 30. Before we can identify the value of each of these two boxes that are empty, we have to take away first the 6 from 30 to give us 24. Now this 24 will be distributed equally to two boxes because the two empty boxes are equal in size. So we have to divide 24 divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. So meaning to say that the value of each of these two boxes is 12. So Hannah's age now is 12 plus 2 is 14 plus 2 is 16, while Michelle is 14 years old, to give us a total of 30 years as the sum of their ages. So meaning to say that we have answered the problem correctly. In our sample problem number 2, it says here, Ahmad was twice as old as Mansoor 3 years ago. Mansoor was 2 years older than Jamal. If the sum of their ages now is 51 years, how old is Ahmad now? So again, we are going to represent the age of each person 3 years ago. So according to the problem, Mansoor was 2 years older than Jamal. So let us represent first the age of Jamal 3 years ago. If this was the age of Jamal, the age of Mansoor was similar box as that of Jamal plus 2, while Ahmad was twice as old as Mansur. So meaning to say, for us to represent correctly the age of Ahmad 3 years ago, we have to double the box. We have 2 boxes, and also double the 2. So we have plus 2 plus 2. So these are the representations for the ages of the 3 persons 3 years ago. How are we going to represent the ages of the 3 persons for this year? So for this year, that is 3 years after. So the age of Jamal now is 1 box plus 3, while Mansur's age now is 1 box plus 2 plus 3, while Ahmad's age would be 2 boxes plus 2 plus 2 and plus 3. Since all of their ages have increased by 3 years after. So the sum of all of these numbers here, including the numbers inside each box, is equivalent to 51. So before we are going to identify the value of each of these 4 boxes that are empty, we have to take away first 15 from 51. So the 51 minus 15 will give us 36. So meaning to say that this 36 will be distributed equally to 4 boxes that are equal in size. So we have to divide 36 divided by 4 to give us 9. So the value of each of these 4 boxes is 9. So this is 9, 9, 9, and 9. So Ahmad's age is simply the sum of 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 2 is 20 plus 2 is 22 plus 3 is 25 years old. So in other words, Ahmad is 25 years old now, while Mansur is 14 and Jamal is 12 years old. For a total of 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 5 is 11, regroup 1, 3, 4, 5. So you have 51 years as the sum of the ages of the 3 persons. So meaning to say, our answer is correct, that Ahmad is 25 years old. Let's proceed to sample problem number 3. In our sample problem number 3, it says here, Josephine was half the age of Jolo 4 years ago. Jolo was 8 years older than Jane. If the sum of their ages now is 49 years, how old is Josephine now? So first, we are going to represent the age of each of these 3 persons 4 years ago. So let's begin by representing the age of Jane. So let us say the age of Jane 4 years ago is this box. The age of Jolo 4 years ago is this box, similar to that of Jane, plus 8. While Josephine's age was half of Jolo's age. So in other words, for us to represent the age of Josephine 4 years ago, we have to divide this box into 2. And only one of the boxes would be the age of Josephine. So we have this box for Josephine and half also of 8, which is 4. So plus 4. So we can also divide this box into 2. This box into 2. Now, the age now of Jane 4 years after would be this box plus 4, because the ages of the 3 persons have increased by 4 after 4 years. So Jolo's age now is this box plus 8 plus 4, while Josephine's age now is this half of the box plus 4 and plus 4. And then the sum of all of these numbers, including the numbers inside these boxes here, is 49. Before we can identify the value of each of these boxes that are empty, we have to take away first 24 from 49 to give us 25. Now, this 25 we are going to distribute this 25 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal boxes, not 3, because we have to make all the boxes equal first. So we have to divide the 25 by 5. So 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. So meaning to say that this is 5, this is also 5, 5, 5, and 5. So the age of Josephine now is 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 4 is 13 years old. So meaning to say that Josephine is 13 years old. How about Jolo? Jolo is 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 4 is 22. While Jane is 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 4 is 14. So you have 14. So let's find out what is the sum of 14, 22, and 13. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 49. So the total is 49. Check. So meaning to say that our answer is correct, that the age of Josephine now is 13 years old. This time, it is now your turn to answer the following exercises. All you have to do is to simply solve the following problems. And if you are done answering correctly these two given problems, you can post your answers on the comment section found below for you to get a chance of a free shout out on my next video. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.